So it's now time to try the spiciest hot sauce in India, and me and Wonderboy are here in Delhi Hut, and we're gonna go to the Nagaland stall, and hopefully we'll survive the hot chili sauce.
Not you. I survive.
Dude, I'm not good with hot food either, so we'll see.
You guys know how good I am with hot food. One bite and then I'm out.
Yeah. So let's see how bad this is, or how manageable it is. Maybe we'll soldier through it. Maybe, who knows? Or maybe we'll get our asses kicked. Let's find out. So there's one here, and then there's one there. So let's see. We're gonna have to ask them which one has that. I have no idea what it's called.
Just
so we're gonna have to ask
chicken in red pie. I don't know. That's what it's sweet.
Just placed our order for.
Just place our order. And
it's called pork raja extra spicy. So yeah, they had two options for it. One is spicy, and the other one is extra spicy. So we obviously went for the extra spicy.
Extra spicy is what we took, and it was 400 and something. So
yeah, it's just like $4.99, I think. So
yeah,
500.
Yeah, so it's
which is kind of expensive, but
it's kind of expensive for Work Forever.
Yeah,
it is kind of expensive.
Too
for
expensive
me
for me. But good thing is that I'm being sponsored by Wonderboy Jeremy, so I don't have to worry about it. I would otherwise never be able to spend 500 on. Maybe I will, just for the experience.
Let's see how much it is. It's 500 divided by 70. That's $7.
All right, so
that is $7, guys. So that is $7 of spicy.
I'm kind of a little nervous to try this.
Well, the Indian is already, a cat. Has become a cat.
Yeah, I'm about to.
A female cat.
You'll find out once we get the dish. We'll see.
What do you think, guys? Wonderboy can handle this. The guy. Okay, that's a challenge. If you fail.
All right, there's a challenge. What is it?
So, guys, this is what it's gonna be.
Thank you.
So it's gonna be, if I win this challenge, he is gonna make himself the internet's pussy.
I'm not gonna do that.
You have to do it. You have to do it.
I would never do that.
He's a member. He's the guy who makes.
Lose. I'm not gonna lose now because.
He's the guy who makes memes, and then he's gonna make his own memes and then post it. That's a challenge.
I'll make my own memes. That's fine.
But you should title it.
Yeah.
You should. No, you are. You are already. You are already one.
The food's not even here.
But you are already becoming a female cat.
No, but the food's not even here.
Let's see.
For the food.
This is my light Coke. It's Coca-Cola.
Coca-Cola. Pork Raja. Is it gonna kick our ass, or are we gonna kick its ass? I think I'm gonna kick its ass. I have a good feeling. This Coke is very cold, and I have a cold.
And I have
a sore throat.
Me too.
So
beer
here
would
it
help
goes.
it.
Yeah. This video is sponsored by Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola's gonna be like, "What the fuck? Who are you? We never gave you any money."
It's pretty.
Oh my God.
Oh wow! Here it is. The spiciest.
Is this it, or is there gonna be a sauce with it?
Oh, is this it? I don't know. This is.
That's what you get for 500. I think we just got ripped off. Look at that.
The spiciest food in Delhi, as they say it.
It's not even food enough for one person.
I don't know.
And it costs 500, so I think we just got ripped off.
A lot of fat in it.
A lot of fat.
Yeah.
This is pork. I think it's pork and what is that? Is that potato?
No, that's fat.
Fat?
Yeah, that's
fat and meat.
That's the.
But where is that it? Is this it? Because I thought there was a sauce.
Me too. So the expectations have blown away.
What is? All right, so I think this is not the meal that we saw, but
it's still gonna be spicy, I think.
Yeah, it's still gonna be spicy. But
sure, I'm gonna let the Indian do.
All right.
Go for
you know what? I'm gonna go for it.
Maybe they can join us.
I just want to make sure that this is it.
The spicy. Maybe they can join us if they go.
Hello, ladies. Would you like some spicy food? All right.
No, that's
it doesn't look like
that's
it's gonna be spicy. That's the fat, right?
Yeah. So take a.
Oh, you want me to take it? All right, I'll take meat. Oh, that's hard.
Yeah, it's tender. It's
Okay.
really good. Yeah. Looks really
So,
good.
Yeah, looks good. Doesn't look like it's gonna be spicy, but it does say extra spicy. So
Smell it. Any
it
spices?
smells like pork. It doesn't smell like anything else. But here it goes.
Why?
Okay, it's spicy, but okay, it's coming up.
Now I'm getting scared, guys. Now I'm getting scared because it's this. Oh my god! Now I'm getting scared. What do you think? Is it too spicy? Can I handle it?
It's not that bad. It's just very hard. The meat
It's very hot.
hard to bite in, but yeah, it's not that bad.
It's not that bad. Okay, here it is. Wish me
Try
luck.
the fat.
Oh.
What do you think, Wonderboy? Wonderboy's having a hard time.
Blast in your mouth.
Yeah. So as you bite into it, you can kind of feel the spices,
So,
even though it doesn't look like
I'm
it's
gonna put this
spicy.
leaf into top of this piece and then pile it on. Because I'm not gonna lose and then I'm not gonna get memed.
Yeah, I'm not gonna do that either. So, I mean, it's not bad. It is
I had
good
it,
pork,
yeah.
but
Good.
it's not spicy. It's not that spicy. I mean, it is spicy, but not that spicy.
It is spicy for me.
But it's not extra spicy.
It's not extra spicy,
Yeah.
yeah. That is true. It is not extra spicy. It?
All right, so the food was not spicy enough, so we ordered some extra chili. And look at that. That looks spicy, so. All right, so now we're gonna try the pork with that sauce. So let's see
So
how
guys,
bad it
we
is.
have the spiciest sauce over here, and now we're gonna put that sauce into the pork and then swallow it and see. Bite it on, soldier on.
You wanna go for it?
First, you're the Indian guy. You should go for the first one.
I'll go for it.
Save before you. If you die, I'm safe. Here it is, broke forever.
Ooh, yeah, this was a sauce, I think. Oh my god, look at that.
Oh jeez.
Check this out.
Look at that. Oh boy.
Does that look like it's gonna be sweet? No, not at all. It's gonna be spicy. All right, is that enough? I think that's enough.
There's the pork in my stomach right now, and it's still spicy. It's rotting inside me.
Yeah, I mean, I can still feel a little spice in my mouth from just the pork, but now I'm gonna try it with the. All right, what should we go for? I'll go for. We'll go for this, whatever
Okay.
this is. It's pretty juicy.
Ooh, it's juicy.
All right. So instead of just dipping it a little bit, I'm gonna go for it. I'm gonna marinate this. This is how you do it, and this is how you're gonna have to do it. Look at this. That's how you eat spicy food.
Okay.
I think
ready
I
for it.
might regret this, but but I'm gonna do it anyway.
I'm gonna wait for like 3 minutes after you has swallowed
Alright.
it fully, and then I'm gonna eat.
All right. Look at that. God save us all.
Amen. Amen.
Oh my god. That sauce is spicy. Guys.
Okay, now I'm done.
You have to do it.
Okay, whatever happens.
So you gotta cover the pork.
Yeah. But there's a lot of fat. I'm not gonna eat the fat because I don't like the fat.
I'll eat the fat. Oh my god.
Okay, you'll eat the fat.
Dude, it's coming up now. It's getting worse.
Okay,
Oh my god.
tilt the camera up. Hold it
I
properly.
can't even hold the camera.
Really? Okay. Well, guys,
This
what
is
do you
no
think?
joke.
Wow. Is there some sweets that we can try? Okay, guys, look at his face.
You have to try it, man. Go for it.
It's pretty spicy.
Pretty good.
It's pretty good or pretty spicy.
You don't want to have this?
I don't have that. There's a bone in this, so I'm thinking I had to go with my hand.
Yeah, but you have to cover. You have to cover it. No, you have to cover it up. Hold on. Just
No. I'll do it.
All
do
right,
it.
go for it.
Okay, so here it is, guys, the pork. Okay, I'm just gonna go in for a small bite and then I'm gonna drink a lot of Coke.
Go
Yeah,
for
guys.
it.
The spiciest pork sauce in Delhi.
Oh my god. My lips are burning.
Oh my. As you chew into it.
And it just gets worse with time.
Oh boy.
So just wait 10 seconds and the lips are gonna start to burn.
Oh boy. This is some spicy shit. Oh
This
my
is
god.
spicy. This is what we came here for.
He's the one to blame for it.
And you know what? Because
Guess
this is a
Guess what?
what?
It's not spicy. I can handle more spicy.
Yeah, just wait another second. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna cover this piece
With more spices.
with more
Spicy sauce.
because I'm a champion.
Okay.
So look at this. That's what I'm gonna do. This is gonna be the end of me.
Rest in peace.
Rest in peace, work forever. Look at this. Look at this. You can't even see the pork. That was a bad idea.
Excuse me? Another Diet Coke, please. Yes.
I can't even taste it.
You guys have any sweets? Any sweets? No sweets. Okay, the
Oh,
only
you're on your own. You're on your own.
For Diet Coke? Yes, thank you. Someone
God.
eat some of these leaves now.
Yeah.
They are drenched in spicy sauce as well, but less spicy. Your lips burning.
Yeah.
Lips, oh shit.
Oh my god. Why did I eat that?
And if you guys ask me, do you recommend this?
I do.
I'm just still gonna say yes. Go for it.
I
Spicy
do
food,
recommend
yeah.
it, but you're gonna regret it.
Yeah. Cool guys.
Oh my god.
So here it is. Nailed it. Nailed it. So that's the spicy food
Oh my
challenge
God.
in Delhi.
It's getting worse. Have some more. I had more than you.
I have no pork, so I'm good.
Put it on the leaves.
No, I don't want. I'm good. He's an Indian dude struggling, eating spicy food. This is the Indian version of female cat.
But I still ate it. I ate more than you.
Yeah, that's true. Not gonna lie, he ate it more
Oh
than
my
me.
God.
I lose the challenge, but still I ate the food. And I ain't.
I'm gonna try this. Delete. I can't even talk.
I think tonight I might have to spend
can't
some
taste-
time in my bathroom.
I can't taste anything.
Make love in my coffee. I think tonight I have to spend more time in my bathroom. Amen to that.
It's not gonna be. It's gonna be the same coming out. So.
So, I'll see you guys in my next video. Adios from Nagaland.
Don't try this. I mean, you can have the pork, but stay away from this. This demonic looking. Oh my god.
Dude, that shit is fucking spicy. Hey, we need to go. We need to get all and then get to the hotel. Go drink this cigar with a chick.
Oh my god. My lips, my tongue. I can't even talk. My lips and my tongue is on fire. But yeah, that was the spiciest food I've ever had. It was worse than the spicy sauce that I had in Manali. So much worse. All right, but I did it. So I'm not looking forward to to tomorrow morning because of how it's gonna come out, and
your ass is gonna smart.
yeah, my ass is gonna burn. So
Blast.
all right, that's it. Rest in peace. Don't eat this food. Don't do it. That's it.